Does your home feel like a sauna during the summertime? Humidity levels of 50% or higher in your home are not only uncomfortable, but they can also damage your property. Dehumidifiers lower moisture levels in your home, which can reduce allergies and asthma. Help rid your home of wet, musty smells. Dehumidifiers help prevent corrosion on computer equipment, electronics, and tools. Having a problem with millipedes and other bugs in your basement or laundry room? A dehumidifier can help lower your energy costs and help your air conditioner run more efficiently.